Alright everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my own debloater, trend debloater. It's actually Xeno debloater, I haven't renamed it yet, but you know, it's okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, but let's get right into it and let's start off from the beginning. First thing I'd like to say is that all tweaks tab goes, like all credit goes to Chris Titus for inspiration for the project, and that's the only reason why I'm making this. The second thing is I'm using the mass activation script in it implemented, but it's literally just their script, so I'm not responsible if that ends up being a virus or something. I just know from personal experience I use it, and I do not want to make a video on it because that violates YouTube TOS. So that would give me a strike. So I'm not going to show that. I will show the tab, but I will not show you anything on how to run it or anything, but it just runs that script directly without me interfering. You can install it via the exe here in the GitHub, or you can go ahead and compile it using PyInstaller on your computer. It's completely coded in Python, and it has photos downloaded from Google inside the images folder, or the assets folder, how all the images are here. Has a GitHub, it's maintained often. I'm not in here that much. It's my first time getting online in a few months. I've been like super inconsistent, but you can download it here. I just updated it again, so this is going to download the file. My second time running it, but the last time I realized that would probably violate TOS, that one tab. So I do not want to show that on YouTube for sure. You're going to want to run it as admin. That would be bad if you didn't. I mean, it just wouldn't work probably. It may give you a smart screen. Yeah, so it's just saying that I'm not recognized. I don't know how you get recognized or how become a publisher. Not sure. It's my first time coding any app like that's at all good. So with a GUI for sure. So I would like to say this is proof of concept. It's not out yet. It's in beta. Most tabs other than the apps tab aren't completely done, and they don't look great. So even with apps like Brave isn't working at the moment. But this has all the apps I think you would need when you reset your computer. I reset my computer often, and I set up computers for others when I build them. I do it locally, so I do it often. I usually just run the Chris Titus tool, but I decided how about I make my own tool so I can set their computer up with stuff that I know they're going to want, stuff that I know is easy to go through. I don't have to read through it every time. It's got the photos of the stuff on it. I added that manually. I'm not done adding them all yet. A few of them don't work, but mainly all the apps will download to your computer. It's all using WinGet, not Chocolatey. The tweak stat, this is all Chris Titus. This is proof of concept. This is this like minor implementation. Some of this works, some of this doesn't. Do not run this on your main computer, the tweaks. The activation tab, like I said, can't show it. You can imagine what it does, and the link to their website is right here. All credit to them. The appearance, so this is what I'm making myself. This is not working right now. So I had it working, but I messed it up somehow when I started adding some GUI here to add pictures of what the preview is. But I'm going to go ahead and show you a preview of what it looks like. Here, if I go to my if I go to Debloater here and I go to assets, I have the pictures of the backgrounds I made myself. So this is what they look like, the default backgrounds. So this will be the default one here. That's what you'll get defaultly. There's a red one, there's a purple one, a blue one. These will all have more hexagons. I just didn't add them yet. I'm using Canva, so I'm not like a Adobe editor or anything, so I'm not going to make anything crazy. It's just supposed to be real simple. So the point is you're going to select one of these here. Let's say I want blue. What this is going to do is it's going to look for translucent TV. If you don't have it, it'll download it. That's real finicky. That's not going to work. What it does do, hide your desktop icons. It resets Explorer, and it sets your Explorer as opaque. I need to set this as an option. I have not set that as an option yet to make the Explorer opaque. Or not, it's like translucent, it's not opaque really. Opaque so you can't see through. It may download Rainmeter and install a custom theme I made. I'm not sure. By the time you're watching this, it may have changed. Here, if I run Rainmeter now, you can see I took a theme that's open source and I edited it to say whatever you want to say. You can just pick it yourself. It does usually say your address, so don't run it randomly, Well, at first it would say, like it said my address at first, but I was like, I don't want to show this on YouTube. I probably want to, change that to something else. So you can run it. It'll restart Explorer. Here I run it. Like over there, my background's gone, but I'm using Wallpaper Engine at the moment. So, oh yeah. So it tries to switch you to dark mode, but since your computer's probably already activated, there's no reason to use the custom color, which it was using. So I decided just to make it open up settings so you can change it to dark. Thought it'd make more sense. This is like real fast. So it's supposed to remove the start menu tiles, hide background set theme, hide the icons, explore restarted, dark mode open, taskbar items removed, and OneDrive icon. The theme's messed up. I'm actually going to remove all of that, and we're going to implement this. I like this start menu more. I think it's start something. I can't remember the name of it. But I'm going to implement it to the app. It's pretty good. It's in complete beta. This was working better like a release ago. So the appearance tab is in complete beta. Tweaks isn't even really should be in here yet. This is done and apps are done. They all work good. Like this all is for sure working. I tried the tweaks. A few of them did work, but it's not like, I don't know what the long-term effects could be. I ran it in VM, so I would not be for sure. I don't want to run that. No one should run that really. Appearance actually helps. Like it'll work. It'll work on your computer probably, but it's not even for sure done yet. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Tell me stuff to add, please. I need stuff to add too.